How to download MATIX application on your Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're trying to download the MATIX app on your Android phone or your tablets, then it's quite simple. First of all, open your Google Play Store from your Android device and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen and go to the search bar at the top and type in MATIX and search. Once you do that, you'll end up in this search results where you'll find the MATIX trading tool application from MATIX. Tap on the install button to begin downloading the app on your Android. Now, wait for the application to install. After the installation is done, click on Open. Allow necessary permissions such as notifications or not. You can also not allow the notification now, and you can always do it later. And once you do that, you'll end up in this welcome screen. Keep pressing on the next button and you can go ahead and register for a new account, or you can also log into your existing account and start exploring the app. So that's it. You successfully downloaded the MATIX application on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.